skirts from Brook Antoinette. Put these where?
Hello.
Stay right there. I want to see something. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. They were here when I got home. Got them in the mail today. I'm so excited. So I just wanted to open them up. And I'm doing unboxing of them really quickly before I go to Bible study. Ooh, the colors look so pretty. I'm excited. Okay, so there are 2 of them. And this is the first one. It's so pretty. Is it in the camera all the way, Maya? Please don't touch it. You can't see it, can you?
I can, but it's like you need to move it down some so they can see the bottom.
How about I put it up?
Up some. That's good. And yeah, that's good.
Oh, this is gonna be so fun.
It looks so pretty on her. They couldn't see you though.
Not even. It's so long. Oh my goodness. It's gonna fit up here, the length that I got it. It's gonna be so pretty. I'm so excited. I am wearing this on Sunday. So excited.
She's just so excited that she wants to scream and shout.
I didn't need a narrator, Maya. This is skirt number 1. Let's see what skirt number 2 came out like. Ooh, this is so pretty. I love these colors. Oh, this is so pretty.
Look at that. Up some.
I feel like this one might be a little bit shorter, but it's still so nice. Either way, look at this.
Move it up so they can see it.
Let's see.
There.
Okay.
Move it up some more. Look at all the pretty colors. It's like orange, bluish, greenish, and red. Turn it on.
There's just so much I loved about these skirts. The thick waistband, the amount of material, you choose your own measurements. If you think that you may be interested, definitely go to her website and check it out. I have it linked into my description box. But anyway, thanks so much for tuning in to this unboxing on my channel, Mommy Shishi Baby. And if you think that you'd like to see more of my videos, hit the like button, subscribe, set your notification bell, and share. Until next time, thanks so much for watching. Love you all. Bye.